So we just got this. New baby walker. My daughter is almost 9 months old and is trying to get on the move. So we got this to help her out with that. It was really easy to put together. I'll show you how quick and easy that is. It's got some toys on the top here. This one does come off, so you can play with it in your lap as well. Just takes 2 AA batteries. I just turned it off, but it plays music. It twists to 3 different heights. I've got it on the lowest setting right now because she is little. She's about 24 inches, I want to say, the last I measured. But you can lift it up. It is not difficult, but obviously they make it hard enough that your little one can't do it themselves, because that would not be safe. But it clicks to 3 different heights, and then also clicks down for easy storage. It's all nice hard plastics, which makes it easy to clean. And then on the back here, the wheels can tighten and loosen, so you can determine how fast it goes. And then this also comes off. I think I showed that in the video. This comes off so that they can actually use this as a push walker as well. So I'm going to show you my little one goes in it. She's still figuring out the toys and things. She hasn't figured out quite yet how to make it move super fast, but she is starting to kind of wiggle around in a little bit. But yeah, I think she's really going to enjoy this.